Okay. Chunky! Ow!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, pues.
A ver, here. No puedo. I'm stuck.
Push.
Oh.
Vente, Crunchies. Come on, cripple mommy. Let's go.
Are we gonna go down the slide?
Duh.
Oh.
Pues of course.
Oh, me buscaste para allá. Ah. Ay, no, mi leg. I can't bend my leg a little. Look at Chunky, look at her. Look at Chunky, her face is like, oh my god.
There.
Okay, just keep pushing me. Ah! Oh.
Chunky's like, what the fuck?
Okay, I need to get up. Whoa, ass in my face. Ow.
Go, Chunky.
Ow.
Chunky.
Ow, I shocked her.
Woo.
Ow.
Okay.
Move her, David, move her. Oh, don't miss.
Okay, yeah, how are you gonna get from here to up there?
No, move, get behind me.
Like you first?
So that I can see, so that everyone can see my battle.
Go, Chunky.
Oh, shit.
Oh, esta es una rueda. Chunky, where are you going? I can't go any farther. My knee hurts.
Ow. I don't know how I'm gonna get up here. Ow. Okay.
Chunky.
Okay.
Oh, see.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
What if this rips and I die? I used to be scared of this when I was little.
Me too. It would hurt my feet.
No, I would be scared because I thought I was too
¡Uy,
fat.
me caigo! Ándale, carrera. Yo gano.
No! Only I hold the top. No! I don't feel. Oh, we left Chunky at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
She's like barely coming in.
Oh shit. You're not gonna be happy.
Wow, hell.
Mira, it's all swervy.
My shoe got stuck.
Okay. Ow! Okay, vamos. Oh my god.
Oh, hell.
Look at what we have to go through. Oh shit, are you ready for this?
I can't bend my leg.
I'm gonna slide off and I'm gonna Okay, ahí vamos. Hold on.
I need to pee first.
No, we come back too far, okay?
I need to pee. I'm stuck.
Okay, come on.
Hello.
Here, I'll try to do it with you, okay? Wait, which one is your broken one? This one?
The right one.
Fuck. Okay. Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Give me the stuff.
Sylvia, they called you fat. They said you clogged up the plate.
Thanks.
Ah! Is that the slide? Yeah. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
What a freaking workout. Are we gonna slide together?
David, be careful with her. Okay. Okay.
No, me voy
Little kids first. The little kids
No,
first.
espérate.
No, get the little kids. Okay. Let me see. Let the little kids go first. Come on, little kids. Come on.
What's your name?
Jaden.
Okay, Jaden.
How do you feel?
Is this acceptable?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.